I was getting ready for my morning meditation, a habit and routine that is becoming more and more solid gradually. And the rain, the sound of the rain was calling to me. So instead I came outside and sat on my patio where I still am, listening to the sound of the rain and just connecting with nature, and it's lovely. You know, we don't have to just wait for sunny days to enjoy life. We can enjoy it no matter the weather. And, I heard a couple bursts of thunder and reminded me that we can find peace through the storm. Thank you, brain.